So hello guys, today we are going to cook our all-time favorite recipe at home, corned beef with potato. It's a very simple recipe that everybody can do. Everybody does this in Philippines and we love this recipe. So we are in for our quick and easy recipe. It's because we're very busy. Our life is very busy in Australia between work and home and some other things that we do, and easy recipes to cook is one of the things that champion in our kitchen. So this is how we do our corned beef with potatoes. We'll show you. So here is our potato cubes, 2 potatoes. We have our stock cubes, that's chicken, and we got onions. So if you don't eat onions, guys, you can omit that one. That's no problem. And this is our corned beef, and this is a big one. So the remaining of this, we will put in the container, and then we will store in the fridge for the next time we cook. So let's cook, everybody. So guys, we will put the pan on wherever you want to put your corned beef, where you want to cook in a pan. Just add a little bit of oil, and then let's add a little bit of garlic. So guys, you have seen how easy it is to make a corned beef with potatoes. That's why it comes in our quickest recipe to cook for our busy life. So, ito na siya. Ayan. And this corned beef has big sort of pieces of meat. If you are in Australia, if you buy the other brands of corned beef, they sort of very fine. And these ones here are sort of meaty. That's why I choose to use that brand, which is Pacific. So the remaining ones are here. So I'll just gotta divide it in portions, put in the fridge, divide it in portions. When I cook, I just take some as I need, so it doesn't go to waste. So here it is. Let's take a picture and taste. So now guys, let's try. Oh, that's just the rice cooker. Something is beeping. Let's try the corned beef. Masarap. Masarap guys. Try the potatoes. Malambot. Ayan. Ayan guys, hindi na ako makahintay. The rice is calling me. We have a corned beef with rice and the problem is solved for dinner. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in our next very easy family favorite recipes in Australia. Bye guys. Thank you.